Alright, so we have this, which we connect red to red, black to black. Make sure they stay apart. And then if this is working, okay, this way we can use the rechargeable battery on our flower. Okay, so that's the underlying technology. It's a long tail LED with a resistor built in, so you don't have to worry about that. And this is just a power bank with a 5 volt to 3 volt converter. All right, let's just make a little flower around that, I guess. I'm just going to do one of these. Alright, now I'm going to need to tape that really tight. Super tight. Oh dear, we squashed it. That's fine. I'm going to pop one of those up there somewhere. And then I'm going to tape that down. Oh. And tape that on as well. There we go. Now I would be a little bit concerned about these guys touching, so you might insulate them by putting some tissue paper on them, for example, and that would also hide them as well. So let's do that. Just lay you down there. Adds to the decoration as well. Okay, okay, and there we go. And there we go, and we've got our protected bits. Now what I'm going to do is actually pull those flowers apart, and I'll connect them all to the single block.